I like ballpoint pen drawing so much, and I have done a few drawings in the past. In the last 1 year, I have drawn a lot with graphite, charcoal and color pencils. This is the time to visit ballpoint pens again. Let's see how far I can do. So let's get started. First of all, welcome back friends, and let's start the rough drawing and see how it looks. The previous sketchbook which I have used was a bit smooth as compared to this, so I'm not sure how it's gonna look, but no way going back. Here we go friends, this is the drawing and it's not bad, but as I said it's just a rough drawing. So here you can see the drawings from the last year and you can see clearly that they are even smoother because the paper itself is smooth, but my technique seems much better, so I think I can do a lot better. To check that, let's draw another eye. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Stick with the video. And friends, after watching this video, you know what to do. Give it a like, share with your friends and family, and subscribe and support my work. Enjoy the video my friends. There we go friends, it's looking good and I'm happy about the results. So stay tuned for the next drawing, it's gonna be epic. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and smash the bell icon and support me. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you on the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa.